In the heart of the Peruvian highlands, where the air is crisp and the landscape is dotted with the vibrant hues of nature, a remarkable event unfolded on September 15, 2007. The sun was just beginning to set, casting an ethereal glow over the small village of Carancas, when suddenly the tranquility was shattered. A fiery streak blazed across the sky, a celestial visitor making its dramatic entrance. This was not just any meteor. It was a harbinger of something extraordinary, something that would leave an indelible mark on both the earth and the minds of those who witnessed it. The locals described it with a mix of awe and terror. Imagine standing there, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet as a deafening roar filled the air. It was as if the universe itself had unleashed a primal scream. Some said it was a fireball brighter than the sun, illuminating the dusk with a brilliance that felt both otherworldly and deeply unsettling. And then, with a thunderous impact, the asteroid struck the Earth, creating a crater over 13 meters wide and 6 meters deep. This was the Carancas event, a cosmic collision that would spark curiosity and concern far beyond the borders of this remote village. As the dust settled, the repercussions of the impact became painfully clear. The explosion had thrown debris hundreds of meters away, and a plume of smoke rose into the sky, a dark reminder of the chaos that had just erupted. But what truly shocked the residents were the immediate effects they began to experience. Headaches, nausea, and skin irritation swept through the community like an invisible wave. Was this simply a cosmic coincidence? Or was there something more sinister at play? In the days that followed, scientists and researchers flocked to Carancas, eager to unravel the mystery of the meteorite. They examined the crater, collected samples, and interviewed the locals, piecing together the puzzle of what had transpired. What they found was both fascinating and alarming. The meteorite was composed of nickel and iron, a testament to its extraterrestrial origins. But it was also carrying something unexpected, potentially harmful bacteria. The very idea that a celestial body could harbor life, however microscopic, ignited a flurry of discussions about the implications for both science and humanity. Imagine the thrill and trepidation of those scientists as they stood at the edge of the crater, contemplating the vastness of the universe and the fragility of life on our planet. This was not just an isolated incident. It was a reminder of our vulnerability in the grand scheme of things. Earth, our home, is constantly bombarded by cosmic debris, and while most of it burns up in the atmosphere, some make it through, reminding us that we are not alone in this universe. Each meteorite carries with it stories from the far reaches of space, and the Carancas event was a particularly loud chapter in that narrative. As the investigation unfolded, questions arose about the safety of the area. Could this event be a precursor to something more significant? Were there more asteroids lurking in the shadows of space, waiting for their moment to strike? The scientific community was abuzz with theories and hypotheses, but for the people of Carancas, the reality was much more immediate. They had experienced the impact firsthand, and the lingering effects were a daily reminder of their brush with the cosmos. In the months that followed, the village became a focal point for researchers and curious minds alike. Some came to study the meteorite, while others sought to understand the psychological impact on the community. How does one cope with such an extraordinary event? How do you reconcile the beauty of the universe with the fear of its unpredictable nature? These were questions that weighed heavily on the minds of the villagers, who found themselves at the center of a global conversation about space, science, and the human experience. For many, the Carancas event was a catalyst for change. It inspired a renewed interest in astronomy and environmental science, particularly among the younger generation. Schools began to incorporate lessons about space and the importance of protecting our planet. The villagers, once living a quiet life in the highlands, became ambassadors of knowledge, sharing their story with the world and inviting others to ponder the mysteries of the universe. As we reflect on the Carancas event, it serves as a poignant reminder of our place 2007 Peru asteroid, let us keep our hearts and minds open. Let us embrace the curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown, to seek answers, and to celebrate the wonders of the world around us. Because in the end, it is this spirit of exploration that connects us all, transcending borders and uniting us in our shared quest for understanding. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let us remember that each star we see in the night sky holds stories waiting to be told. Each meteorite that falls to Earth carries with it the whispers of the universe, urging us to listen, to learn, and to marvel at the strange and spectacular world we inhabit. The Carancas event may have been just one moment in time, but its legacy will echo through the ages, inspiring future generations to look up at the stars and wonder what lies beyond.